to know the track spacing. It's not ideal on this by any stretch of the imagination, but it's not a system that's designed for searching, so there's nothing we can do about it. But basically, we just go menu first of all. You can do a measure, get the measure pins up. These are mega important, these measure pins, because you're going to use them so often. But we just tap it there, and then we just read off here the distance, so 72 meters, whatever distance. So if you decide that you want a 2 meter track spacing, that's 0.1 of a nautical mile is 200 meters, which is what we got now. Now you just got to look visually and see that that is 200 meters, and just try not to mess with the zoom for your first part of the search. So let me show you. So from that there to there, okay, roughly that is 200 meters. Okay, good stuff. You've also got a little sort of distance indicator here, but I like putting that on because that's where I'm going to do my first part of my search. So then we just get rid of those by X, and then what we do is we're going to go plot. Now we're going to plot a new route. And now all we do is we can start from, go over to the mark wherever it was. It's going to be our first part. Drop, come across roughly to what that 200 meters was. It was about there, wasn't it? Roughly.
Yeah.
And down here. Now here's the clever part. Just coming across. You don't have to come 90 degrees across. Oh shoot, I'm going to run aground, but hey, we're going to have to run it anyway. Don't do that. Just come up. It doesn't matter. You know, this, like I said, a hovercraft or boats, it doesn't matter if this is 90 degrees or what. So just come up, but get it roughly the same distance as that. I would say, to me, that looks roughly good enough. That looks kind of the same as that, and that's the best you can do. If you're a bit out, you're a bit out. Now I'd say high tide, we could possibly sneak in maybe that far. On this occasion, let's go across to roughly 200 meters. I'd say that roughly looks like 200 meters. Nice. And then let's come down again as far as we dare. And then come across about 200 meters. I'd say that looks kind of like 200 meters to me. Again, I'm just eyeballing it and up. Okay. Now, once you've done it, you need to. This is a temporary route, so we need to save it. So just the quickest way is just hit X and save the route. Yeah. What do I want to call it? We'll call it and.
So when Lisa was showing us to do that, she said to zoom to 100 meters and it's a thumb spacing.
Okay.
Is that something that's normal?
You could, I mean, you could
just.
Yeah, that's about my thumb. That's not 100 meters. That's 200 meters for me.
Yeah, but oh no, she's saying that if you go to 100 meters and you do a thumb spacing, that's your distance you want to do in the dark.
To be honest.